Welcome, my ultimate music teacher friends. I'm about to reveal tip number 3 of the top 10 tips. This tip is absolutely essential to do before you start thinking about teaching music theory. It truly determines our success as educators. I'm about to share it with you right now so you can implement this tip into your music teaching business. Tip number 3. My name is Gloria St. Germain. I'm the founder of Ultimate Music Theory, and we are a one-stop shop with a complete music theory workbook system and our Ultimate Music Theory Certification Elite Educator Program. And this is exclusively for teachers, walking you through from where you are now to wherever that might be to where you want to go, having a positive, purposeful, and profitable teaching business. Visit us at MusicBusinessMastery.live and sign up for our 3-day live teacher training. I've also been a music teacher for over 30 years, and during that time, I have collected a vast amount of information that I share here on our Ultimate Music Theory YouTube channel. So go ahead and click the subscribe button and the little icon bell so you never miss a video. In teaching tip number 4, you met Shauna Hunter, and you heard how she implemented these teaching tips into her own music studio with massive success. Today's teaching tip number 3 is exclusively for music teachers who are interested in teaching music theory more effectively and more profitably. How to help your students translate the language of music theory into their practical musicianship skills so that others can benefit from your expert music teaching. So your teaching business is really providing massive knowledge and a skill set that students have for forever. So let's dive into teaching tip number 3 of 10. Tip number 3 is passion and power. Passion-based learning starts with your passion for teaching, and passion is contagious. When you share your excitement for learning new things, discovering ways of implementing ideas from music theory concepts into the practical applications, and show the relevance of learning, it's magical. Let students share their passions too. Perhaps they're passionate about composing, improvising, learning classical or jazz or even contemporary music. Take an interest in what your students are passionate about and value all passions equally. You have the power to help students take their passion for learning music to the next level of lifelong enjoyment and creativity. You have the power to blend the fabric of learning music into better performance and greater retention and improved standards of education. You have the power to share your passion of enriching lives through music education with the world, one music note at a time. You know, we as music educators have a huge responsibility because we hold the passion and the power to make a difference in the world by leaving our legacy. A legacy that will be treasured by all those musicians who we teach, by putting our stamp of education and making a contribution to future generations of music educators. And I believe that there are 2 teaching legacies that must be shared in living our best life. First, your passion enables you to combine the knowledge of your own professional development with educating students to strive for developing lifelong musicianship skills in passion-based learning. What are you most passionate about in your teaching business? Second, your power as a teacher. How will you use it? Will you ultimately leave that legacy as a music educator? Your legacy is determined by what your students do, who they will become, and how you will empower them to learn music. How will you use your teaching power to help others learn and leave your legacy? A reflection by John Cotton is, what a teacher writes down on the blackboard of life can never be erased. One of our Ultimate Music Theory certified teachers, Athalia White from Canada, achieved first-class honors with distinction in the Ultimate Music Theory Certification Elite Educator Program. Now, she invested in herself. She focused on her passion for learning and her inner power of self-confidence and her power of developing relationships to build a successful music teaching business with Ultimate Music Theory club classes. Athalia shared how the power of the thought-provoking UMT teachers coaching calls had been pivotal in helping her realize that her passion and her power could be combined in creating success in her life. The reason for her success? She believes that nothing is impossible with passion and purpose. Through personal development and implementing the UMTC Elite Educator Program while creating continuous success in her teaching business. As you explore your passion and power to leave a legacy, first, begin to elevate your knowledge and skill set as a professional teacher. Now, you can easily take your music teaching business to the next level with the power of passion-based learning, which is why I'm inviting you to our music teacher training. This 3-day Music Business Mastery live event will be a game changer for your music teaching business. You'll learn the exact systems that you need to elevate your income, to impact your teaching, and to grow your expert music teaching business. So get registered now, MusicBusinessMastery.live. And until next time, I'm Glory St. Germain. Teach with passion.